Hello guys.
Kita lagi mana ini? Kau nak buat.
Oh, kipas mana kau?
Tak.
TV betul.
Hello, my name is Audrey Priscilla Riti and Bakang with matrix number CE190154. I will be explaining a little bit of theory for two-way switch since I do not have any two-way switch at home. A two-way light switch allows you to operate a single light or electric equipment from two distinct places using two different switches. This type of switch is commonly used in residential and industrial electrical systems. Each switch will have a common terminal L1 and L2, with L stands for line terminal. Two switch terminals are linked by electrical wire. When both two switches are turned on or off, the electrical circuit is complete. If one of the switches is turned on or off, the electrical circuit between the switches and the light will not complete and no electricity will flow. The use of an electrical switch is dependent on the electrical requirements of the manufacturer. To complete the setup, the two-way switches are required, with one switch common terminal is connected to the phase line and the second switch common terminal linked to the lamp lot. Switch connection in the phase lines are always preferred. Each switch-way terminals are linked to each other and the neutral line is connected directly to the light load. Because the first connection must be broken before the second can be made, this form of connection is sometimes referred to as a break before create design. In contrast, a traditional two-terminal switch is only a make or break device. When compared to the digital electronics, this configuration resembles an XOR gate in which the state of the light is turned on or off is determined by the status of the common terminals of both switches linked to the corresponding to the line terminals. Based on this is the figure 1 diagram for simple application of two-way switch. And this is the truth table for the two-way switch based on figure 1. For switch 1, it is when it is connected to the B, switch 2 connected to B1, so the output will be off. When switch 1 is connected to B and switch 2 is connected to C1, the lamp will be on. When switch 1 is connected to C, switch 2 is connected to B1, then the lamp will be on. And lastly, if switch 1 is connected to C and switch 2 is connected to C1, the lamp will be off. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Abdul Sokri. Okay, for my part, I will present the question. Okay, question 1 is discuss the purpose of continuity test in wiring installation. Okay, continuity test is to determine if a circuit is open or closed in a short amount of time. Continuity exists only in a closed, which is complete circuit, the one that is switched on. A digital multimeter delivers a little current through the circuit to measure resistance during a continuity test. So for continuity test, we use the multimeter. Okay, for the question 2 is discuss the polarity test in wiring installation. Okay, a polarity test is to perform on both the primary and secondary windings of a transformer in order to determine the current direction. In case parallel operation of the transformer, it aids in the interconnection of the primary and secondary windings. An electrical tester is used to check the polarity, which is the electrical tester is test pen. Okay, the polarity test is important because it allows us to avoid short circuits by knowing the polarity of different windings. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Good morning, doctor. My name is Cheong Ming AE 190105. Today I will present discussion and conclusion. I will present discussion first. Through this lab, we can determine single-phase electrical wiring installations for lighting circuit not include one node lamp connection controlled by one unit one-way switch in residential building, and draw the wiring diagram for the circuit. Besides, we know to draw the wiring diagram for the circuit. Lighting circuit is a connection of one or more lights controlled by a simple switch. This kind of connection mainly used in interior electrical installations. Power circuit is a circuit that used to carry electricity that operates a lot. It means the circuit of power packs such as power supply and power conversion. Switch is an electrical component. It can make or break electrical circuit automatically or manually. It works with on and off system. A two-way switch is the combination of one-way switch into one in different locations to control one lamp. One switch can turn a light on and off without any other switch being attached to that light circuit. Generally, when you want to take control of appliances from two different locations, the two-way switch are used for staircase case lighting and other lighting systems. Next, I will present conclusion. After this lab, we can understand wiring regulations. In UK, wiring regulations are a national standard for electrical wiring. This standard shows the requirement for installation of fixed cabling within a building. It is important to make sure that the adherence of safety and proper practice. It also covers the trial of wiring. We also gain skills to determine the type of lighting circuit and know the proper usage of related tools according to desired application. Besides, we know the skills to draw the house plan and wiring diagram of the circuit. It is important to draw the diagram because circuit elements can be emphasized and we can know their functions relate to each other. Furthermore, we gain knowledge on electrical wiring accessories and symbols. These symbols are vital when doing electrical drawing and electrical circuit. In future, we can draw an electrical plan to prevent hazardous problems and ensure that our system can run safely and efficiently. That's all. Thank you, Doctor.